All right, I went to this side here because it showed more promise last time I was here, because this is where I pulled out that 10-foot signpost out. Plus, when I was over there, my magnet was getting stuck. I figure if anything's gonna get stuck, I'd rather be the hook, because I got the electric winch hooked up to that. So I threw the magnet in, and let's go see what I got on here. This looks like maybe a pipe connection. Yeah, it's one of those 4-way pipe connectors. There's 1 hole, 2 hole, 3, 4. Make sure nobody made a home in here. Cast iron right there. All right, I made a throw about 50 feet out there. I mean, I just winged the magnet, and I'm dragging something. It's got some weight to it. I just hope this current doesn't screw it up. Try to bring it up. Gotta do it quick. I don't want to go underneath the overpass. Oh, this thing is heavy. What the hell is it? This is cast iron. Or it's square enough, it might be even a safe. But I won't be that lucky. Hope it stays on there. Come on, stay on there. Oh, brother. It's got stuff in there. It's hard. Might be cement. But then it's got water in it too. Could be somebody inside. Like a crawfish maybe. Which I've been seeing them. A couple of them lately.